panel moots liberal norms to strengthen scale-up UCBs. Large urban cooperative banks may be allowed to issue stock exchange tradable instruments to shore up capital and function as universal bank, according to the recommendations of expert committee on primary cooperative banks. The panel headed by the former RBI Deputy Governor N.S. Vishwanathan recommended that UCB issue tradable securities which could be declared eligible by the central bank to cover under the Securities Contract Regulation Act. This could facilitate their listing and trading on stock exchange. The panel also recommended more enable regulations to enhance their efforts on financial inclusion. Other suggestions included the setting up of four-tier structure based on the size of the deposits and the establishment of umbrella organization with a minimal capital of 300 crores help small bank acquire scale and help with the capital and liquidity support. The committee felt that liberal regulation approach may be adopted for UCBs that meet a certain minimum level of capital, reserves and CARCA requirements. The report said the panel envisioned the UO taking the role of self-regulation organization for smaller UCBs wherein supervision and independency audit can be conducted. Once the OU stabilized, it could explore the universal bank and offer the valid services on behalf of the member bank. A UCB that is member of UO could have regulations in capital requirement. The panel report said a 4-tier UCB with a deposit based on overall 10,000 crores which meet both the entire point capital and CARC required applications to a universal bank may be allowed to function on their lines of a universal bank if RBI is satisfied that it meets the financial requirement and a fit and proper board and CEO report said. At the same time, where the diversion views in the panel on allowing the UCBs to convert into joint stock companies.